This is just a quick video, guys, just to show you what having a cone air filter sounds like on your Scirocco 2-litre TSI. In this episode, a BMW M6 blows its number plate clean off. Oh. This guy polishes his pipes very rapidly.
No, you just polish away.
In this episode, for your viewing pleasure, we have this 1999 Nissan Skyline GTR V-Spec. The car we have here is one of only 227 ever produced.